for dropping by into the Ciel Files. Today, I will be showing you how to change Wi-Fi password for PLDT Fiber or DSL. Before we move on, please consider subscribing to my channel. If you're done subscribing, thank you so much and I wish you the best. Now let's start. So go back to your Chrome browser and type in your IP address. If you don't know your IP address, search for CMD into your Windows, which is command prompt. Press enter. From this command prompt, just type in IPCONFIG, which is IP for Peter and config for configuration. So that is IPCONFIG. Press enter. So here you can find your default gateway, which is your IP address, and this is my IP address, 192.168.11. So copy this one into your note and close this window. Now let's go back to our Google browser. So type your IP address, which is 192.168.11. Press enter. So this will direct you to the PLDT username and password login. This is now the PLDT's username and password login page. So for username, just put admin. And the default password for this must be 1234. But then I have already changed my password into a new password. So my password is no longer 1234. So allow me to proceed using my new password, which is this one. And press login. This will direct you to the PLDT dashboard, old password into new password. So from this dashboard, just click management. Okay, so this is now your account management, wherein you have your username, your old password, and new password confirmed. But first, for username, just retain admin as your username. For old password, let me use my old password. So that is my old password. Now I wanted to change my old password into a new one, so I will be needing 12 to 32 characters that include uppercase, lowercase, or numbers and symbols. So you just need a minimum 12 characters so that you can change your old password. So when you have already your new password using 12 characters or more than 12 characters, you can now confirm your password and then click apply. So that's it. I hope you find something helpful in my channel, and I'll keep doing the best I can with the time I have. Thank you so much for watching.